Hi, this is Javier from ViewSonic, and a lot of teachers have been asking us how can they set up a complete long-term distance learning setup. So I want to show you how I do it, and I hope this is something that's helpful for you. So as you can see in the back, I have my laptop where I have my notes that I'm going to use in the lesson, and then I have a camera where my students can see me and also can hear me because I have a microphone. And on top, I have a large screen I use a video conferencing tool so I can see all my students, and I can also have a chat box that I can see any questions or feedback from the students. On the side, I have a touch screen which I use my viewboard whiteboarding to do an engaging lesson. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to get this hardware set up. Now first thing I have is my laptop, which is running on Windows 10, and then I have my camera with my microphone. So in this case, it uses a USB connection, so I'm going to get this USB cord and connect it to my laptop. Now secondly, I want to connect this large display to my laptop. First, I want to make sure the power's on and it's connected. In this case, this uses an HDMI, so I'm going to get this HDMI cord and connect this display to my laptop. Great. Now, the third is actually connecting my touch display. Now again, I want to make sure that the power's on and power's connected, so I want to connect this display through a USB-C to my laptop. So I'm connected right here. Alright, now that I have all my displays connected, I'm going to do some simple settings. Alright, let's go over some settings right now. So first thing I'm going to do is on my desktop, I'm going to right click and go to display settings. Now the first thing I want to do is make sure that all my displays are extended. So here I scroll down to multiple display and it says multiple displays. I choose extend desktop to this display. Second thing I want to do is I want to make sure the resolution. So first thing I want to check the resolution for my laptop, and I make sure it's recommended at 1920 and 1080. That's perfect. So then I look at my touch screen and see set out exactly the same, so 1920 times 1080, that's perfect. And third thing I want to set up is the spacing. So in this case, since I have my large display on the top, so I want to make sure that I leave it on the top. A quick way is to just click on identify so I can see which screen is where and set up accordingly how I want it set up. Once I'm done with that, I just click on apply, and we're set up. The second thing I want to set up is I want to identify which screen is going to be the touch screen. So a very easy way to do that is go to my Finder or search. In the search box, just type in Control Panel, and I open Control Panel. Now I have all these different icons. I want to look for one that says Tablet PC Settings. I click on Tablet PC Settings. I choose on Display option, choose which one is my touch display. So in this case it's my TD24555, and then I go to Setup. Now you see all your screens turn to white, and right now it's in my laptop. In my laptop, this is not my touch screen, so I just click Enter and move on to the next one. My large display is not my touch screen, so I click Enter and move on. And my touch screen, I use my pen, I tap on it, click Enter, and I'm set. Perfect. So now that I have all my screens synced and set up, extended how I want it, I want to put all my apps where they belong. So in this case, I'm going to open my viewboard, my digital whiteboard, and I'm going to drag it to my touch screen. I want to open my virtual conference tool, and I want to move my video conference tool to the top screen. And then I'm going to open my notes in my laptop, and I'm ready to start a class.